Now, let's look at this question. This question says that based on U.S. Census, here are the numbers of the new privately owned one-unit house units authorized in permit issuing places in U.S. Northeast area. We can see from 1 to 3 until 13, so we know there are 13 data. And those 13 data, the second row tells us that in September 2020, the number of units is 54,000. We can see here the units are in thousand. So that means 54 means 54,000. On the graph, the first data, 1 was not marked. Then corresponding to 1, the height is 54, means 54,000. The second data right here, second data, and then we have a 10 means October. So October 2021, we have 61,000. So corresponding to number 2 right here, we have this height, which is 61,000, slightly above 60. Similarly, if you look at here, this number 5, so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this point. And this point is January 2022, the 5th point. And the number is 71,000, slightly above 70 right here. So this is actual data, and those are the graphs. Okay, now let's figure out the first question. The first question says that what is the number of house units in July 2022? You want to locate here. 2022 starts from here. That's January, February, March. And July is 07. And then 07 corresponding to 11. And 11 and 61. So here is 10. 11 would be here. So that's the point. But what we know is that we want what? The number of house units. Then you will answer, here is 61,000. So you want to click this one. That's for the first question. Now, the second question. The second question is, when did the house unit reach 66,000? 66,000, here is 65. It looks like this point. So which is slightly above 66,000. And this what number corresponding to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then it would be 7 right here, this place. And then we know this is 66. And then the time would be 03, that's March. So then March 2022, that would be this place. March 2022. would be the answer we want. That's the second question. Now, let's look at the third one. The third one is, when did the house unit reach the highest value? It sounds like here is on the top is the highest, and which is the sixth point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this will be the place, number 6. When did the house unit reach this high? Well, the highest is 75, and that's 02, means February 2022. So then you want to click this one. So that will be our third. Now, let's look at the question here. What is the lowest value of the house units? You see the lowest point is right here, which is corresponding to 10. So then you will see 10 is here, which is the lowest. Sounds like 52, lowest. So then what is the lowest value? You should click 52. That's the lowest. Okay, how about this one? When did the house unit reach the lowest? We know the lowest is 52, which corresponding to number 10. 52 corresponding to number 10. And then the month is 06, which is June. So June 2022. That would be the one right here. You want to choose this one. That will be June 2022. Okay. Now, let's look at the last one. The last one is what? During which time did the house unit increase the most? You can see from this point to this point, that's the distance. Vertical distance is the biggest. That means what? Increasing the most would be from here to here. From first point to the second point is not that much. The difference is not that much. And here apparently you can see from the third point to the fourth point, which will be the vertical distance is the biggest. So then from third to fourth. From third to fourth, that will be from 60 to 74. From 60 to 74, that would be in 2021 from November to December. So then you want to do is click this one. That will be from November to December. Okay, so those are the 6 questions we did, and I will see you next time.